Hey everyone, and welcome to a Dropified Video Training tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get started with Dropified by linking your BigCommerce store so you can start importing products and automating orders using it. Now in this video I'm going to show you a few different things. I'm going to show you how you can link your store, I'm going to show you how you can install the Chrome extension, and I'm going to show you how you can import products from AliExpress and other one-click supported vendors so you can start dropshipping pretty much any product you want from a variety of places. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into Dropified and press Add Store. Now from this list you can choose BigCommerce, and you're going to need your store's URL. So we need to log into BigCommerce, and then once we're on the dashboard we need to go up to the top right here and select everything from HTTPS to the .com. Now your store is probably going to be something a little bit different. Ours is called Dropified Test, but yours is going to be pretty much your store name .mybigcommerce.com. Then you paste that in right here. And once this is in, you're going to press Add Store, and you're going to be redirected to a BigCommerce page where you're prompted to install the Dropified app. So press Install and Confirm. And as you can see, your BigCommerce store is going to be added into the Dropified dashboard. So let's go back to Dropified proper. And here we're back in the dashboard and we can install the Chrome extension so we can start importing products. So I'm going to go to Install Extension right here from the dashboard. And I'm going to press Add to Chrome. And you confirm it by pressing Add Extension. And so as you can see, it's been added right here. I'm going to drag it over so it's easy to see. But your Chrome extension for Dropified is right here. And this essentially gives Dropified a bunch of different superpowers that you can use to import products and change all kinds of information about them from inside the Chrome extension all by itself. So now if we go back to Dropified, we can see that we can start adding products from AliExpress and eBay. And so we can go directly to AliExpress, or I can search for it. So I'm just going to search for it right now, AliExpress. And from here, we're going to find some products that we want to import. So we can go to, let's say, fountain pens. And here you're going to see now that the Chrome extension is installed, every product is going to be outlined in a border of either green or red. If it's green, it means it supports e-packet shipping, which means shipping is going to be cheaper, and in this case, sometimes free. And it'll ship faster, so your customers are waiting less time for the orders to actually get to them. Now, it's not totally mandatory that you offer only e-packet shipped products, but it is a great option for cutting down on price and shipping times for your customers, so we've made it easy to figure out which ones are which. Now, if you go into the Chrome extension right now, you can actually set up different settings for the different products that have shown up. So you can actually choose to hide products without e-packet at all, and they'll be grayed out so you can't even choose them. You can hide non-top brand products, or you can quick save to favorite boards. So once you find a bunch of products you want, you can import them into the back end of Dropified by pressing the button right here as you hover over the products. This is going to be the fastest way to save a bunch of different products. You just hit boom, 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 and you can import a bunch of products into Dropified at once. But say you find a product that you want to directly edit when you import it. You can click on any of the selections here, and you'll be brought to the product listing. And here you can see the price that you'll pay when you fulfill it. You can see all of the different colors that it comes in. You can see the descriptions and all of the different variants. So now if you want to edit this product before you send it directly to your store, you can press the Dropified Chrome extension, and you can change the name of it. I'm going to say glass pen. You can also adjust the price, the comparative price, and the weight, and you can choose which product photos you want. Any that you don't want, you can just choose not to by pressing the X. Any of the others that show up will be imported. And then you choose which store to send it to. I'm going to send it to my BigCommerce store. And then you can save it for later, which will save it into Dropified's backend, which you can publish into your store later, or you can send it directly to your store. So I'm going to do that now. And depending on how many product photos that are in the listing, it may take a little bit longer than some products, but have no fear, it is sending over now. So now that it's imported, we can press View in BigCommerce. And as you can see, we got our product name that we changed it to, glass pen. We've got the default price, the weight, we can categorize it. We've got our product description. We've got all of our different product photos, and everything that was in the product description is now added to our BigCommerce store. So whenever we're done, we can just press save, and it's saved successfully. You can even view it on your storefront if you would like. See, everything has been imported. So now what do we do if we want to import a product that isn't from AliExpress? Well, what we can do is go into our Dropified dashboard and go to Import Products in the left-hand side menu. In this list, you're going to see all of our one-click supported websites, and it is quite a list. It is very extensive. But essentially, you can start drop shipping any products from any of these stores by going into them. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to go over to Fast Tech, and if I want to sell, I don't know, a flashlight or a laser, we can go into any of these products and find one that we want. So I'm going to go to this one. It's a cool looking flashlight. And once again, we just go up to the Chrome extension. We can change whatever name we want. So I'm just going to call this Jet Beam Flashlight because that's the name that is on there. We can set the price again. We can set the comparative price again. We can set the weight. Once again, we can choose product photos that we want to import. Then once again, we just choose BigCommerce and send it directly to our store. And once that's done, we can go again and view it directly in our store to make sure everything went over correctly. So we've got our product name, we've got all of the different photos, and as you can see, everything has been imported. So we just press save, and that's pretty much how you do it. So any of these stores will support importing products the same way using the Chrome extension. You just go to the product you want, go to the Chrome extension, change whatever you want, and then import it either to Dropified's backend or directly into your store. It's very simple and very powerful, and you can start saving products from all over the place. It's really great. So there's two more things I want to show you before we're done with this video. It's our Dropshipping 101 blog and our video training blog. If you're just getting started with dropshipping, our 101 courses are going to show you how to set up your stores for success in either 14 days or 60 days. 14 days are basically going to be a very abridged, rapid fire kind of course that if you've already started drop shipping some things and you just want to get better at it, the 14-day fast lane is going to be for you. And if you're starting from nothing essentially and just want to get started drop shipping but don't know where to start, our 60-day challenge is going to be perfect for that. We've also got advanced training right here which shows you different features in Dropified's backend that didn't necessarily fit in these. And we've also got Dropified Black training if you want to join our Dropified Black program so you can get started with your cosmetic and CBD product sales using printing on demand features inside of Dropified. It's really cool. And then lastly, I'll show you the video training. Essentially, our video training is going to be a bunch of blog posts that are complete with step-by-step instructions that'll answer any of your questions that you could possibly have. So you can set up different things, and I'll click one for example. You've got a video right here, and then step-by-step instructions on how to complete the whatever task is at hand, one by one. But that's pretty much all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully after you finish watching this, you've gotten your BigCommerce store up and running, you're importing products, and you're ready to go. But until next time, I've been Riley with Dropified. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. You can always find more tutorials and videos on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/c/Dropified. See you later.